Beneath the surface of our planet's vast oceans lies a world more mysterious than space itself. A place where sunlight fades, pressure crushes, and creatures beyond imagination lurk in the darkness. The deep ocean covers more than 80% of our planet, yet we have explored less than 5% of its depths. What secrets remain hidden beneath the waves? As we descend past 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone. Here, sunlight is a distant memory. The creatures that live here have adapted to an existence without light. Bioluminescent life forms flicker like stars in the void. The anglerfish, with its eerie, glowing lure, waits patiently for prey in the black abyss. As we descend past 1,000 meters, we enter the midnight zone. Here, sunlight is a distant memory. The creatures that live here have adapted to an existence without light. Bioluminescent life forms flicker like stars in the void. The anglerfish, with its eerie, glowing lure, waits patiently for prey in the black abyss. Scientists estimate that millions of species in the deep ocean have yet to be discovered. Gigantic squid, creatures with transparent skin, and even living fossils, remnants of a time before humans walked the earth. Every new dive brings the possibility of uncovering something unknown. Beneath the water, mountains taller than Everest rise, and trenches deeper than the Grand Canyon plunge into darkness. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point in the ocean, reaches nearly 11,000 meters. If Mount Everest were placed inside, its peak would still be miles underwater. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more mysteries of our world.